Hello and welcome back to my another quick unboxing and review video. In this video I am going to share with you quick unboxing and review Sony MDR-ZX110AP. So let's take a look. This is my Sony MDR-ZX110AP headphone box, how exactly looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this box and then I'm going to share it to what we're going to inside this box or how exactly this Sony headphone going to be looks like. I'm going to try to open this box. After opening this box, we will see inside there is another box. So I'm trying to pull out this box. After I pull out this box, we will see there is another box, how it looks like. So I'm going to again try to open this box also. Here we can see there is another, just trying to pull out this box. After opening this box, we going to see our beautiful Sony headphone. You can see here is some user guide, and here is our beautiful Sony headphone. You can see here how it's going to be looks like, and this is how our Sony headphone looks like. And this is, you can easily just changing this headphone, and you can easily exchange this headphone. And then we can see here very soft this headphone, and also we will see here is it's coming with include microphone. That's great. So here we go. This is my Sony MDR-ZX110AP headphone looks like. So you can easily compact this headphone, or if you want to extend it, you can extend it. You can see here it's very nice, and we'll see here we see there is a Sony logo, and it's writing here right side. And if I go on other hand, there is another writing here Sony logo, and it's the left side. And you can see this here is very soft, and on this cable length also quite large enough for using your audio call or etc. things. You can see here the Sony MDR-ZX110AP on ear headphones with microphone. It will has 30mm dynamic drivers to deliver an extended low frequency response of 12 Hz to 22 Hz, so you can enjoy all kinds of music on the go. For improved portability, the ear cups can swivel flat and fold up into a more compact form factor. The 3.9-inch wide type cable helps prevent tangle, and the universal inline smartphone remote control and mic enable simple functions such as answering ending calls and navigating media on your mobile device. So that's for now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.